Marty again with the second plant that is blooming in December 22nd, not the 21st. Marty, stay awake. The 22nd of December. This is the Desert Rose. This is the dark red. I have yet to get a seed pod from the dark red version of the Desert Rose, but I did get my pink versions of the Desert Rose. And the pink version is kind enough to supply us with babies coming in the springtime. Here's my little babies. Let me show you them over here. There's more of the blooms. This is the second plant I'm showing you that's blooming in the Dougherty Garden. That's the bougainvillea. Not bougainvillea, stay away from Desert Rose. So thank you for stopping by. Like and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.